Hi, I'm Greta. If your tomato plants give you big leaves but barely any fruit, or those frustrating black spots on the bottom of the tomato, I want to show you the simple fix this season. That black sunken spot on the bottom of a tomato is blossom end rot, and it usually comes down to calcium. This organic 346 feed delivers 8% calcium to help prevent it. It's made for all tomatoes and vegetables, and gardeners notice the difference fast. Real reviewers are seeing more flowers turn into real fruit. It's powered by Myco-tone beneficial microbes, and it's approved for organic gardening. Just feed every 2 weeks through the growing season and let those plants thrive. It's Espoma Organic Tomato Tone. For more flowers, more fruit, and fewer rotten bottoms, tap the link in the description to shop on Amazon. Happy growing! If your azaleas, hydrangeas, or blueberries look tired and aren't blooming the way they should, I want to share the secret your acid-loving plants have been craving. Acid-loving plants like azaleas, rhododendrons, hollies, and camellias have a different appetite, and they thrive on a food made just for them. It's powered by Myco-tone beneficial microbes that feed your soil naturally, and gardeners are seeing the difference for themselves. Just feed in spring and again in fall, and the long-lasting, slow-release organics keep nourishing your blueberries, evergreens, and camellias for months. Give your acid lovers what they really want with Espoma Organic Holly-tone. Shop now, the link is in the description. Pouring everything into your vegetable garden, but the harvest still comes up small and bland? Let me show you the simplest fix. This is an organic 344 feed made for cool and warm season vegetables and herbs, leafy greens like lettuce and kale, plus tomatoes, peppers, squash, and melons. Inside is Myco-tone, beneficial microbes that help your plants grow strong, and gardeners are loving the results. Just feed monthly through the growing season and watch it grow an abundant, flavorful harvest you'll be proud of. That's Espoma Organic Garden Tone, your shortcut to a thriving veggie patch. Tap the link in the description to shop it on Amazon today. Wishing your berry bushes would finally give you a real harvest? Hi, I'm Greta, and the secret isn't more water or more sun, it's feeding them the right way. Berries are hungry plants, and they thrive on a natural, organic feeding that's made just for them. A gentle 4-3-4 blend approved for organic gardening. It works for all your berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, and gardeners are seeing real results. What really sets it apart are the Myco-tone beneficial microbes that enrich the soil. Use it at planting and to feed established plants for a bountiful harvest. Give your berries what they're craving with Espoma Organic Berry Tone. Tap the link in the description to shop on Amazon, and here's to your best harvest yet. If your potted plants keep wilting between waterings, the trouble usually starts down in the soil. Let me show you what I trust in every container on my porch. A good organic mix gives roots room to breathe. This one blends sphagnum peat moss, humus, and perlite, so your indoor and outdoor containers drain right and stay light. Here is the part I love most. A proprietary Myco-tone blend of endo and ecto mycorrhizae helps roots establish, so your pots get off to a strong start. And because it is approved for organic gardening, it is a clean choice for the herbs and vegetables you actually bring to the table. That is Espoma Organic Potting Soil Mix. Tap shop now in the description to grow happier containers this season. Happy growing!